Hey, this is Eric from At the Ballpark Cards doing a box of 2019 Topps Chrome for Russell. Good luck, Russell. Get something big this time. Yep. No worries, I'm recording it, so whatever you would have missed, just me opening it, it'll be sent to you. So good luck. This was box number, I took number 9 or 10 or something like that off the bottom of the case. Second to last row. Urias Rookie Refractor. Jake Bauers, Alcantara, Toussaint. Panic, Knicks. Kyle Tucker Prism. I think Tucker's going to be huge. I don't think he's up right now. He's still in AAA maybe, but I think he's going to have a huge career. He's having a huge year in AAA. I think that's a keeper there. You got a good one. Tyone, Adames, Future Stars, Dakota Hudson rookie, Stroman. I was thinking about stocking up on Tucker myself. I think he's going to be good. Otani, Haniger, DeGrom 84, Suarez, Cub Killer, Eugenio Suarez. Rizzo, DeGrom Refractor, Givens Cozart. Votto, Piscotti, Kristen Stewart, Freshman Flash, Brian Anderson. Moran, Perez, Fremel Reyes, Springer. Ward, Freshman Flash, Kikuchi, Mazzara, Bogarts. Hoskins, there's a Pete Alonso. Scherzer, Refractor, and Albies. So we've hit all the big ones. Now if we can get an Alonso auto, that would be nice. Walker, Desmond Prism, McGuire, Herrera. Buxton, Boyd, Lindor 84, Edwin Diaz. Posey, Cave, Refractor, Tellez, Donaldson. Alright, so we're saving the autos for last, apparently. Winker, Correa, is an auto. Austin Riley, rookie, auto. Kopech, another Brave auto. It's a refractor. Number to 499, Austin Riley. Torres, Rosario Future Stars, Bauer, Cano. The current Cincinnati Red, Trevor Bauer, who gives the Cubs a headache in the regular season. Baez, Guerrero, and a Peralta Refractor. So it's 2 Guerreros. Alonso, Belt Prism, Chance Adams, Renfroe. Is that a big one, Tyler? You like that one? The Austin Riley? Avila Freeman base. This one has a little bit of a... It's not a... Remember that Kopech 84 and Bryant. I don't know what that is on the Freeman. It's almost like a defect. Right side over here. I don't know what that is. It's not peeling. Unless that's actually a glove. Maybe the mitt. Or the ball. That's actually the ball, I think. It looks like a defect, but I think that's the ball. Just barely in the picture. Severs. Giolito refractor. Perez. Kramer. Tyler's a big fan of Austin Riley. Kikuchi rookie. Gallo. Josh James. Auto. For the Astros. Verlander. Looks like we have a purple here. Who do we got? Cedric Mullins. Purple. $2.99. Number 87 of 299. Smoke. Hamilton. Snell. Refractor. Hosmer. Polanco, Trinan, Prism, Jeff McNeil, rookie. I don't know if we've got him yet. If we did, I passed by it without making note of it, but he's having a great rookie year. Or a great year. See, Pham, Votto, 84, Dean Dietz. Last pack. Hader, Refractor, Robles, and David Fletcher. It's box number 3. Thanks, Russell.